If you're trying to remove your payment method on your iPhone but the None option isn't showing for your Apple ID, here is exactly how to fix that. First of all, open your Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. After that, go into subscriptions, and if you have any active subscriptions like Apple Music or iCloud, you won't see the None option. Cancel any subscription first if you want to remove the payment method entirely. Next, to make sure you don't have any pending purchases, go back, then tap on Media and Purchases. After that, tap on View Account and check for purchase history. If there's a pending balance, pay it off first. If you're still not seeing the None option, go back, then tap on Family. And if you're a part of a family sharing group, you cannot remove payment details. Ask the organizer to remove you or manage payments. After that, try adding a new payment method. Sometimes the None option appears only after adding a valid card first. Add a valid card, then remove it, and None may show up afterwards. If none of this works, go back, then tap on Media and Purchases. After that, tap on View Accounts. Then, go into Country or Region, and if you're in a region that requires a payment method, you won't see the None option. Try switching to a region like United States or India, then recheck. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.